Is it bad that it's only the beginning of spring and then I'm so ready for summer? Nah, guys, I'm gonna try to appreciate every single weather for what it is. I'm just ready to go to the beach, okay? But here's one of my spring tutorials. I also really love spring. I think spring, no, actually fall is my favorite flavor. I was gonna say, no, my favorite season. The fall and winter in New York and LA are so different. I feel like the winter in LA is like the fall in New York. That's why I love it here in La. Okay, we're gonna make it a thing, guys, like fetch. Why not make life sound like we're in a musical? But yes, I love that it doesn't get too cold here because, oh my gosh, how I hate the cold. I hate layering. I mean, I would layer a lot, but like summer kind of layering. Until like I get a coat in every color, I don't want the cold for real. But here's me drawing the little flowers, guys. You know, like every single eye look I do has a little bit of glitter. When I was a makeup artist and I had clients, they would come to me like, I don't know why they would come to me just to do natural makeup. Like, I don't know. That's not my specialty. And I'd always try to push the glitter towards them. I was like, just a little in your inner corner. But after I did it, guys, they were down. Please, who doesn't like a little bit of glitter? I feel like this difficulty level is definitely like a 2 out of 5. So if you're a beginner, definitely try this one out. A lot of room for error. And it looks really cute at the end. Like, the dots and stuff that I'm doing right now, it really brings in everything together at the end. So you don't have to worry about things being too symmetrical or anything like that. You can't tell me this isn't the perfect makeup look for springtime.